We're gonna try a little watermelon. We hear they like plenty of water, so this one holds a little more water, less holes in the container. So we'll see. May work, may not. This container, we have planted some cantaloupe. We'll see what happens. Got 3 really pretty zucchini. Say squash, but I call the green one zucchini. I know squash and zucchini in the same family, but the green ones, zucchini. The onions we planted back in the fall. I don't know if we'll get bulbs out of them really, but we'll have green onions for sure if anytime we want them. Three really pretty squashes. We got some golden glory and then crooked neck. Love squash. Let's see, take a look at this bed. We got some cucumbers right here, 3 of them. We'll probably trellis right here on the edge when they start growing. We planted seeds right there for some bush beans, green beans. We go along. We have our little tomatoes, different cherry varieties, 3 of them. And then we have our bigger tomatoes on the other side, which are Romas. I have a Cherokee purple, and then there's another one I'm not positive of the kind. And then on the very end, we have some parsley. And then we have this bed. And on this end, we have our peppers. We got several kinds of spicier. Husband's looking forward to the mucho nacho. Got some mild jalapenos, Megatron jalapenos. Hopefully those are big ones. Got some yellow ones. Got some orange, more bell pepper-esque. And then there's another orange. Scoot on over. We have 2 little rows of banana peppers right here. Then we have 2 cilantro plants. We got those a little bit back and didn't get them planted because of the rain and everything, and they look a little weak, but hopefully they'll survive. And then we have cilantro seeds planted across in a row. Hopefully that'll work. Then we have our carrot seeds. Can't really see those, but they're right there. And then the rest is okra plants. I believe we got 12 places we planted okra seed. So hopefully things will grow. But this is what things look like on St. Patty's Day. We'll see how it turns out.